So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can create floating effect on Capcut or how you can float objects on Capcut. So I have taken a background in my timeline, and now I would add an element on my timeline. Now I would simply adjust its size, and I would go to animation, simply apply slide up animation to this object like this. Now I would go to effects and then simply search for pendulum, and right here it's an effect called play pendulum. I would simply apply it to this object, and then I would simply adjust this effect, strength, speed and sharpen. And now if you play this video, you would be able to see that this object is now floating. That's how you can easily create floating object effect on Capcut. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. It's completely free. And if you want to know how to use Capcut Pro completely free without paying a single penny, watch the video on the end screen.